Ever wondered what it's like to shop in one of the most luxurious cities in the world? Picture this: towering skyscrapers, opulent malls, and a skyline that glitters day and night. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury shopping in Dubai. Number 1. The Dubai Mall. Located in downtown Dubai, the Dubai Mall is the largest shopping mall in the world by total area. It boasts over 1,200 retail outlets, including flagship stores of luxury brands like Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Cartier. The mall's fashion avenue is dedicated to haute couture and features the latest collections from top designers. Visitors can also enjoy world-class dining, entertainment options, and attractions such as the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Number 2. Mall of the Emirates. Situated in the Al Barsha district, Mall of the Emirates is renowned for its extensive selection of luxury brands. Shoppers can explore stores like Dior, Versace, Prada, and Burberry, as well as exclusive boutiques within the Fashion Dome area. The mall also houses Ski Dubai, the Middle East's first indoor ski resort, adding a unique recreational element to the luxury shopping experience. Number 3. Bur Juman Center. Located in Bur Dubai, Bur Juman Center offers a sophisticated shopping environment with a focus on luxury brands. Visitors can browse through stores such as Hermès, Valentino, Rolex, and Tiffany & Company. The mall is known for its elegant ambiance and stylish decor, creating a serene atmosphere for upscale shopping. Number 4. City Walk. Situated in the heart of Jumeirah, City Walk combines luxury shopping with al fresco dining and entertainment options. The outdoor shopping district features an array of high-end boutiques, including Ralph Lauren, Michael Kors, Calvin Klein, and many more. It's a popular destination for fashion enthusiasts looking to explore the latest trends in a vibrant urban setting. Number 5. The Galleria on Al Maria Island. While primarily located in Abu Dhabi, the Galleria is worth mentioning for its proximity to Dubai and its luxurious offerings. It features prestigious brands like Givenchy, Jimmy Choo, and Buchero. Set against a backdrop of modern architecture and waterfront views, the mall provides an upscale shopping experience with a focus on luxury fashion, jewelry, and lifestyle products. Number 6. The Walk at JBR, Jumeirah Beach Residence. This bustling waterfront promenade offers a mix of luxury shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Visitors can explore stores such as Victoria's Secret, Sephora, and Rodeo Drive while enjoying views of the Arabian Gulf. The Walk at JBR is a popular destination for both locals and tourists seeking a lively shopping experience by the beach. Number 7. Souk Medinat Jumeirah. Designed to resemble a traditional Arabian souk, Souk Medinat Jumeirah offers a unique shopping experience with a focus on luxury and artisanal products. Visitors can find high-end fashion brands, jewelry, and artwork, along with traditional souvenirs and handicrafts. The souk's picturesque location overlooking the iconic Burj Al Arab adds to its charm and allure. Number 8. Dubai Festival City Mall. Located along the Dubai Creek, Dubai Festival City Mall features The Boulevard, a dedicated luxury retail area. Shoppers can explore stores such as Tiffany & Company, Fendi, and DKNY, offering a diverse range of upscale fashion and lifestyle products. The mall's waterfront location and stunning views of the city skyline enhance the shopping experience. Number 9. Dubai Duty Free. Situated within Dubai International Airport, Dubai Duty Free is one of the world's leading airport retailers. It offers a wide range of luxury goods, including perfumes, cosmetics, jewelry, watches, and electronics, all available tax-free. Travelers passing through the airport can indulge in premium shopping experiences from renowned brands like Chanel, Lancome, and Rolex. Number 10. Wafi Mall. Inspired by ancient Egypt, Wafi Mall is known for its distinctive architecture and luxurious shopping options. Visitors can shop for high-end brands, such as Chanel, Montblanc, Roberto Cavalli, and Versace in an opulent setting adorned with Egyptian motifs and sculptures. The mall also features upscale dining venues, a spa, and entertainment options, making it a destination for both shopping and leisure. These luxury shopping destinations in Dubai cater to discerning shoppers seeking high-quality products, impeccable service, and an unforgettable retail experience amidst the city's glamorous ambiance.